Amarte es volar sin fin, un suspiro que nunca tiene fin. Eres el sueño que quiero vivir. Mi razón.
Hello everyone, and how you doing? I hope you enjoyed this new intro. That's what we're going to be doing today's lesson. Welcome to Salsa and Bachata Lessons. I'm Alexander, with me is Andrea, and we're going for video number 3 of our top 5 favorite bachata moves. From a closed position, we're gonna do a fan with the left hand, and make sure you rotate your whole body, guys, to the left 15 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 2 things we need to know in order to do this rotation as proper as we can. Number 1, as we rotate, we gotta enter between the feet. Many of you might step here and end up doing this, and you don't wanna go like that. You want, from the preparation, enter between the legs and move around, move around. Now here's another mistake. I'm pulling the lady in and she's pulling me in. It's actually the opposite of what you're thinking. We gotta push away and create this resistance. This feels much better now, okay? Now you can be very close, very far, but for the head roll, it's better to be closer. In order to move the lady's head around, we want to avoid manhandling the head. What I'm actually doing, for the lack of a better word, I'm slightly touching with my fingertips under the lady's skull. That's just over her neck on her left side. There's a bunch of hair here, we can't see it, but as you're rotating, now if I'm standing still, this doesn't work. Thank you for not doing it. But when we're moving around, that rotational force will tilt the lady's head to her right. Now I'm using the whole frame. If you use the whole frame, that becomes more of a zouk movement, and you have all of this large movement and you can't do it as fast, okay? So as we're moving around and we have that tension backwards, watch what I'm gonna do with my right hand. At any given moment, touch, and she goes. Now the rotation is also giving the lady's head to go back. So here I'm helping with my left hand, touching the back of the skull, touching, sorry for that word, and up to take a break. Again, final note, I promise, as you're moving around, this does not work when you're on spot. Slightly touch on the back, slightly touch on the back. With the right, for her head to go to the right, with the left hand of ours for the lady's head to go to the left. With count, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, away, 5, 6, tilt, 1, 2, 3, one more, 5, 6, 7, 8, and as the lady has her head almost down, guys, you're gonna stay diagonally, bend down your knees. She's gonna automatically continue the head roll on a back bend. We gotta say thank you to Andrea for insisting on this one. Right when you're on the diagonal, use your shoulders and her shoulders to squeeze her in so she does a full rotation. Don't come up now, keep her watching to the left and snap the head. That sounded bad, yeah? Last time with count, and 1, 2, 3, 4, away, 6, 7, 8, tilt, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, stay on the spot, don't go up, guys, keep her on the side and look to the left with your lady. Música.
Mi lugar, amarte es volar sin